Let me show you how to see your reposts on Instagram. There are two places where you can view them, and I will walk you through both, along with how to remove any reposts you no longer want. Start by opening the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. You will notice a repost button on your profile. Tapping it may make you wonder where all the photos and videos you have reposted actually appear. To view your full repost history, head into your setting, then go to your activity. Here you will find a section for reposts, showing every photo and video you have shared. You can tap any repost to remove it by pressing the repost button again. This one. Or if you want to remove several at once, tap select, choose the repost you want to delete and confirm. Make 1, 2, and 3. Delete. Keep in mind reposts may sometimes appear on your profile grid when you scroll back, but this view isn't always consistent. The Your Activity section is the most reliable place to see everything you have reposted.